Hello friends, today I will show you how you can make money by filling out surveys online or doing tasks other than playing games, doing tasks such as watching videos. After earning money by doing these tasks, you will be able to withdraw your earned money very easily. First, open the site I gave in the description section of the video and then click the register button. After opening the registration page, enter the information such as the email password requested from you, your full name, username, date of birth, and complete your registration. Make sure that all the information you see in this section, such as your name, email, country of birth, and so on, are entered correctly. After completing the actions and registering, you can log in by returning to the main page and using the login option. Yes, now, see how we can make money from this site. We scroll down the page and see that here we can make money by watching videos or doing certain tasks by watching ads by sharing them to our friends. At the same time, apart from watching videos, watching ads, and inviting friends, we can also make money by filling out surveys. Again, in this section, we can see that we can also get paid using methods such as PayPal and Bitcoin. Yes, friends, after registering on this site, you can also earn money by watching videos, watching ads, filling out surveys, and inviting friends to do tasks. If that's all the video was, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and like the video. Health to discuss.